What's happening in Jammu and Kashmir ahead of assembly elections? Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a scathing attack on J&K Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. Addressing his first public rally in Kishtwar near Doda, the Prime Minister accused the state government of corruption. Prime Minister Modi said despite an assistance by centre, no development work had taken place in Jammu and Kashmir. He questioned why the people of Jammu and Kashmir are deprived of power supply and drinking water when the state has rivers like Chenab. Attacking the PDP, he said two political families in the state have reached an agreement to loot the people alternatively. Citing the example of development of Muslim-dominated Kutch district of Gujarat, the Prime Minister said if Kutch can be developed, Kashmir too can be developed. Modi emphasized on development in his speech and promised people to conclude the development works in the state started by then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government.
50 साल से आपने जम्मू कश्मीर किसके हवाले किया है? क्या पाया आप लोगों ने? जरा सवाल तो पूछिए उन लोगों को। क्या दो परिवार ही इस कश्मीर पर राज करेंगे क्या? क्या यहां के नौजवानों में कोई नूर नहीं है क्या? क्या यहां के किसी परिवारों में दम नहीं है क्या? आप मुझे बताइए, आप में ताकत है कि नहीं है? आप जम्मू कश्मीर को चला सकते हैं कि नहीं चला सकते? आप जम्मू कश्मीर को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं कि नहीं बढ़ा सकते? तो आपने इन दो परिवारों को गिरवी क्यों रख दिया है? मेरे भाइयों बहनों, में पूछना चाहता हूं। और इनकी मिली भगत है, ये दो परिवारों की परफेक्ट मिली भगत है जी। वो बराबर पक्का कर लेते हैं, ये 5 साल में माल लूटूंगा, लोग नाराज हो जाएंगे, गालियां देंगे, हमें निकाल देंगे, फिर तुम आ जाना, फिर तुम लूट लेना, फिर लोग गालियां देंगे, तुम हट जाना, हम आ जाएंगे। यहां पर लूटने का 5 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट चल रहा है जी। जम्मू कश्मीर को लूट खरोच के कारोबार से मुक्ति दिलानी चाहिए। मैं जम्मू कश्मीर वासियों से कहना चाहता हूं, एक बार फैसला कर लीजिए। 50 साल से आपको पछतावा हो रहा है, अब कभी पछतावे की नौबत नहीं आएगी, ये विश्वास दिलाने में आया है।
With Pakistan continuing to spread terror in India, the relations between the two countries are in deep freeze and it's spilling over to the forthcoming SAARC summit in Nepal. Reports indicate there will be no one-to-one meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif in Kathmandu during the SAARC summit. The two-day summit begins Wednesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be leaving for Nepal on Tuesday. This even as Modi will meet all other SAARC heads of state and government and have bilateral meetings on the sidelines of the summit.
I had a very good talk about the SAARC summit and its achievement. And he seemed very much positive towards his neighbor and even to Pakistan. And when I was there in Islamabad, at the time the Pakistani Prime Minister was also very much positive towards India. So I expect both of the Prime Ministers will meet together in a retreat. And if they ask us to manage, we can facilitate them to have bilateral talk in Nepal.
They will be meeting at the multilateral fora, but not a bilateral meeting. At least that is what sources in both governments insist. Now.